The starfish came out for a showing today. I figured I would try to get Cotton Eye Joe on film. It's an interesting creature. Also, next to a rock shaped like a starfish, which is kind of funny. Darla and Alfalfa wanted to say hello to everyone. And then there's Cotton Ball the urchin. The worm culture tank is doing good. The Swiss cheese plants are doing good. Those are doing good. My mangrove saplings are doing good, growing new pieces like the other ones. So I decided to anchor the roots of that other mangrove tree kind of here, front and center. You can see Bonnie back there. Glass surfing, I guess. Give me a toy. Here is my little experimental bucket where I have 2 rice fish and some Endler babies. They don't really want to show up right now, but there's 1 rice fish. The other one's been hiding under this decor. I think they're gonna do good out here though. And then when I go in, I cover it up so nothing drinks out of it. Here is my rainwater project. I do think some algae's growing in it because it does look a lot greener than it did, especially on these pieces of wood right here in the corner. Growing some algae. And unsurprisingly, the grass did not drown. Which got me thinking, I wonder what other lawn plants don't drown. So I got a bunch of these like purple flowers that are like chilling next to dandelions. So I got some of them. I might get that toy. Sit. Ignore. Stay silent. Good boy. You're so silly. What I was thinking about doing was taking my planted hibiscus tree that I've had for many years and seeing about putting it as an aquatic. Because there is one growing right there, a hibiscus. So I figured, they're tropical plants that are in Hawaii. That's a wet place. Figured it would work. And then here's my egg trap. I'm still waiting on my acrylic yarn to show up to make the actual mops that float above it. But I made an egg trap out of the I don't know, it's like a thing that a coffin would go in, but it's like a scaled down model. So thought it was kind of morbid and funny to use it as a egg trap. It's my albino parakeets. We got Luna up top. We got Twi Light at the bottom. And then we got Sunshine, Solstice, and Moonbeam. They might be a little hard to see, but my lilies bulbs, just every day it does seem like they're a lot bigger, and I'm happy about that. Lets me know that they're thriving. And then it may kind of be a little bit hard to see also because of the glare of the light, but these are those purple flowers from in the yard. So like the light fixture that was up there was one of those glass boobies, and well, that's the potter now. So I just repurposed something that was going to waste, which is really the whole idea of the pond itself. This was a broken hot tub So I repurposed it into something that was more life-giving. And the light, I need to build a stand for it. So what I was thinking about doing was utilizing the tall part as part of the stand, and then like building a leg on the front of each of these corners and having like the supports, and then the shelf thing could sit on that and kind of get off the water a little bit more so the light spreads out a little further. I thought that would be nice, and when it gets too hot, I got the blower to blow on the water, and it aids in gas exchange, keeping the water nice and oxygen rich and healthy. This is my experimental ivy corner. That potter has ivy, and it does have some guppy grass stuck in there, but the ivy, this vine, the leaves are not dying, which the rest kind of did. When they would touch the water before, the leaves would die, but it seems like this vine is good with being in the water, which is interesting. So that's cool. My aquatic grass is growing the little blades. It has made more little blades, and they've gotten a little taller, so I feel nice that the aquatic grass is healthy too. So I think that's it for today's episode. Have a good day.